The Ensemble implant is a relatively new implant for CMC reconstruction. They are a resurfacing of the trapezial joint, which is the base joint that is arthritic in CMC arthritis. You prepare the joint and then you slide in this spacer that's made out of pyrocarbon, which is a substance that is made by having a graphite frame and then heating it in a methane furnace so that the carbon atoms come out and smoothly coat the graphite, making it ultra smooth and ultra hard. It does not wear, it does not break, it is very smooth, and it's very anti-immunologic so that it does not cause any kind of an immune reaction. So as an implant for the CMC joint for resurfacing that articular surface, it's really ideal. And it's the first one that I've seen that's been very successful at having people get back to their functional activities with maintaining their strength and without having pain.